Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update GitHub npm packages with versioning, complete guide step by step clearly. To update GitHub npm packages with versioning, begin by opening your terminal. Navigate to your project directory using the command line. Check the current dependencies listed in your package.json file by executing cat package.json. To see outdated packages, run the command npm outdated. This will display a list of packages with their current and latest versions. Identify the packages you wish to update based on this list. To update a specific package, use the command npm install package name at latest. Replace package name with the actual name of the package you want to update. If you wish to update all packages at once, execute npm update. After updating, verify that the package.json file reflects the new versions. Next, check your packagelock.json file to ensure it is updated as well. To manage versioning effectively, consider using semantic versioning. Decide whether the changes are major, minor, or patches. To specify a new version number, use the command npm version major minor patch. Choose the appropriate option based on your updates. After running the command, the version in package.json will automatically be updated. Commit the changes to your local repository using git commit m update package version. Push the changes to GitHub with git push origin main. Monitor your GitHub repository to ensure the updates are reflected. Consider notifying users of your package about the updates through a changelog. Regularly check for updates to maintain a healthy project environment. Following these steps will help keep your npm packages on GitHub up to date with versioning properly managed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.